And so it came to pass. The caught and exposed NFL chiefs, Tom Brady and his coach Bill Belichick, have led the New England Patriots to yet another Super Bowl. This is now 8th overall as a quarterback-coach combination, having won 5 titles from their previous 7 visits. And you all know where the rhetoric going already. Tom Brady is the greatest quarterback of all time, the GOAT and blah, blah, blah. But not so fast. I agree with the theory that Tom Brady is a systems quarterback who has been the lucky beneficiary of the greatest systems coach in the history of the NFL. All of those accolades, most titles, most Super Bowl appearances, most playoff completions, except for his longevity, everything else is connected to the coaching systems implemented by that ruthless winner, Bill Belichick, who was willing to do almost anything to win, including cheating. Any other good quarterback drop into that Belichick system, more than likely would have played in 8 Super Bowls and won 5 titles too. Tom Brady's success is more about Belichick's systems than Brady's brilliance. And that is a brilliant argument. And we come now to the cheating. Both Tom Brady and Bill Belichick have been found out and exposed as cheats. The Spygate scandal, and especially the Deflategate scandal, will leave a cloud hanging over the legacy of Tom Brady. Put it this way, I think Tom Brady is the GOAT. Yeah, man, Brady is the real GOAT. Yes, but he is a goat thief. A goat thief. So, watch your goat, move your goat, watch your goat, move your goat.